Let's go.
Hey baddies, welcome to day 5. Today we're building up to Bird of Paradise with a progressive feel-good sequence to open up the hips, strengthen the core, and prep your shoulders for the bind. Put your mini band just above your elbows, letting your forearms drop out to the sides like cactus arms, and begin to pulse your elbows away from each other. We're waking up the shoulders, arms, and upper back, which play a huge role in balancing and stabilizing the lifted leg in Bird of Paradise. Keep your spine tall and your core gently engaged. As you pulse, think about drawing your shoulder blades slightly together and down, and imagine opening space across your chest while keeping the rib cage softly knitted in.
If we got it together, it just might be the martyrs of the future. 'Cause we're all turned down in the same way.
Keeping the band where it is, bring your palms together like prayer hands. As you press your elbows away from each other, you'll feel the resistance firing up the back of your shoulders and the stabilizing muscles around your shoulder blades. This is a great prep for Bird of Paradise. It teaches you to activate the muscles that support the arm bind and keep your chest open and lifted. Continue to keep your spine long, ribs gently hugging in, and stay with the steady, controlled movements.
You don't have to follow what anyone says or does. You keep your head down. They're all marching to the time. Marching to the time. You're there standing your ground.
Come into deep lunge on the left side with the block under your left foot. Your left arm is reaching overhead and back behind you, band in hand, and your right arm wraps under and anchors the band. Lift your left elbow up against resistance. This challenges your shoulder stability, deepens mobility, and helps reinforce active range in the bind position. Keep your front knee stacked, spine tall, and press evenly into both feet.
It's a lot to swallow, with everything all turned upside down. You don't have to follow what anyone says or does. You keep your head down.
If it's available, start to walk your hands closer together along the band, or even clasp your hands behind you. If clasping hands isn't available today, no worries, just keep holding the band with tension. Shift into a low lunge with the top of your back foot pressing into the mat, and begin lifting and lowering your torso with control. Press down evenly through your front heel, and imagine expanding each time you rise.
You're there standing your ground.
We'll repeat this on the other side. Come into a deep lunge on the right. Right arm reaches overhead, holding the band, and your left arm comes underneath to anchor it. Start to lift the right arm against the band's resistance, keeping your chest open and core steady. Keep the lift slow and controlled, working through your full active range. Stay grounded through your front heel and lift with tension. If it feels accessible, walk your hands closer together or clasp them behind your back while staying in this deep lunge. Change the back foot so the top of the foot rests on the mat, and begin gently lifting and lowering your upper body with strength and control. This is a full body move. You're opening up through the shoulders, training the bind, and firing up your legs to support balance and stability in your standing poses. Focus on pressing into the block with your front foot and maintain a lifted chest. Come into your downward dog and start to spiral your chest gently under one armpit, alternating sides. It's like you're wringing out the spine with ease. This movement helps warm up the thoracic spine and shoulders, inviting in gentle rotation and softness after all that focused strength work. Let your heels stay heavy, your breath steady, and your twist feel fluid, not forced. Think of it as moving reset, tuning back into your body with each spiral. Come back into a lunge on your right side. Bend your right arm with your hand just behind your ear. Twist your chest open to the sky, then curl inward, bringing your back knee in as if you're trying to touch it with your right elbow. Move with intention, twisting, stabilizing, and activating your core, glutes, and obliques all at once. This move builds rotational strength and balance and helps you find that strong open twist you'll need for Bird of Paradise. Keep your breath flowing and let the movement be strong but smooth. Shift back into a half split, but angle your right leg out at a 45-degree angle. Keep your hips facing forward as much as you can and begin folding to the left of the extended leg. We're working on the line of the leg of Bird of Paradise, training both your hamstrings and inner thighs. Keep your front foot flexed and gently draw your hip crease back to deepen the stretch. Let your breath help you soften here, exploring this diagonal line with length and curiosity. Come into a deep lizard pose, and if it feels good for your body, thread your arms underneath your front leg. Stay where you feel a slight challenge without rounding your lower back. Rock gently side to side, letting the movement soften the hips and release the tension through the shoulders. Settle in slowly and listen to your body, allowing your breath to open up your body just a little more. Bring your right leg over your bicep and start to extend it straight out in front of you, challenging your hip mobility and core strength. If it's too intense today, modify by keeping the knee bent and focus on gently lifting your foot off the ground while maintaining engagement through your core and glutes. This builds the same strength with less strain, helping you work safely toward the full extension. From the tabletop, extend your right leg straight back and your left arm forward. Slowly swing them out to opposite sides, right leg to the right, left arm to the left, then return to center with control. This move challenges your balance, core engagement, and full body coordination. It's a great way to strengthen the stabilizing muscles that support your standing leg and spine. Move with control and focus on resisting the urge to rush. Slow and steady builds the power you need. We'll repeat the sequence on the other side. In a left lunge, bring your left hand behind your ear. As you rotate your chest toward the sky, open wide through the torso, then draw your back knee in toward your left elbow like a side crunch. Move with control and try to keep your front leg grounded as your upper body flows between opening and closing. Shift back into your half split, angling your left leg to 45 degrees, keeping your hips square, and start to fold forward slowly to the right of the leg. Keep your front foot flexed and let each exhale help you melt a little deeper without forcing it. Come into a deep lizard pose on your left side. If it's available, thread your arm underneath your front leg and gently sway side to side, exploring the space in your hips and shoulders. This variation adds movement to a deep hip opener, helping release tension through the inner thighs while encouraging the chest to open. Let the rock be subtle and rhythmic, allowing your body to settle and open with each breath. Bring your left leg over your upper arm and start to extend the leg forward as much as you can. You're working strength, control, and active range here. If straightening the leg feels out of reach today, just hover the foot off the ground with a bent knee. You'll still be building the same strength and mobility without forcing the shape. Come into tabletop position, stretching your left leg behind you and your right arm out in front. Slowly swing them away from the center. Leg moves left, arm reaches right, then return to center with control. This crossbody coordination fires up your core, glutes, shoulders, and back stabilizers. Keep your hips steady and try not to let the movement pull you off balance. Think length, lift, and control through the whole motion. Sit up tall with your left leg folded in and your right knee hugging in close to your right shoulder. From here, start extending the right leg upward, reaching your toes toward the sky, then bend it back in with control. Keep the chest lifted, spine long, and knee pulling in. This move strengthens your hip flexors, deepens hamstring flexibility, and trains the lifted leg line you'll use in Bird of Paradise. Go slow, keep the leg active, and use your breath to support each lift and extension. Extend your right leg straight out to the side and gently reach your right hand toward your left foot as you arc your left arm overhead into a side stretch. Keep both sit bones grounded and let the side body lengthen with each breath. Let your breath guide the depth here, reaching long rather than collapsing down. Let's repeat on the other side. Come into a tall seat with your right leg tucked in and your left leg lifted, hugging your left knee as close as you can toward the shoulder. Extend your left leg up toward the ceiling and bend back slowly. Focus on keeping your spine long and your chest open as you move. Stay steady through the base and try to find both strength and fluidity in each rep. Extend your left leg out to the side and gently reach your left hand toward your right foot, sweeping your right arm overhead for a long side opening stretch. Keep both sit bones rooted and your spine lengthening out through your fingertips. Let the movement feel expansive, not compressed. Imagine you're creating space from your low back all the way up to your shoulder. Sit tall and lift your right leg as high as you can while keeping the spine straight and core engaged. Sweep the leg side to side, moving with control across your midline and out to the side. We're working the hip flexors, core stability, and challenging the dynamic motion to your lifted leg range. Imagine drawing long lines through the space with your toes while staying grounded through your seat. Lift your left leg up as high as you comfortably can while staying tall through your spine. Begin to gently sweep it side to side, crossing toward your midline, then out to the left. As you move, focus on staying lifted through your chest and steady through your core. This exercise targets your hip flexors, inner thighs, while improving control through your lifted leg. Try to keep the movement clean and precise, like you're painting slow, strong arcs in the air with your foot. Take your legs out wide into a straddle and flex your feet. Sit tall through your spine and fold forward from the hips, keeping your chest open and your back leg long. We're opening up the hamstrings and inner thighs while gently decompressing the hips and lower back. We're finding a bit more range in the legs to make the bind feel more spacious. Soften deeper with each exhale. From your right side lunge, take the bind, threading your right arm under the thigh and clasping your hands or using a strap behind you. Begin to heel toe your back foot in, bringing your feet closer together underneath you. When you feel stable, start to rise up slowly, keeping the bind and lifting through the chest. If you're still working toward the full lift, this is a great place to pause. Stay in your bound lunge or use a wall for support as you rise. You're building all the strength and control needed for the full shape. We'll repeat this on the other side. Starting from your left side bind, begin walking the back foot forward until both feet are underneath you. Stay rooted through your standing leg, anchoring through your toes, and when you feel steady, begin to shift your weight up, rising to stand with the bind. If standing isn't available today, you can absolutely stay in the lunge or practice the bind with the strap. I invite you to challenge yourself just a little without forcing. You might be surprised by what your body is capable of when you move with intention. Remember, the journey to Bird of Paradise takes time. Honor exactly where you're at today. Every step forward is progress. I'll see you in video 6, where we'll blend deep tension release with more strength building to keep your progress flowing.